The Ironbridge, Shropshire, UK. The Ironbridge is a beautiful and historic bridge that crosses the River Severn in Shropshire, England. Opened in 1781. It was the first major bridge in the world to be made of cast iron, and was greatly celebrated after construction owing to its use of the new material. In 1934 it was designated a Scheduled Ancient Monument and closed to vehicles. Tolls for pedestrians were collected until 1950, when ownership of the bridge was transferred to Shropshire County Council. It now belongs to the local council Telford and Wrekin Borough Council, and has recently been restored. The bridge, the adjacent settlement of Ironbridge, and the Ironbridge Gorge form the UNESCO Ironbridge Gorge World Heritage Site. The bridge is a Grade 1 listed building and a waypoint on the South Telford Heritage Trail. Visitors travel from all over the world to see the bridge, the gorge and the renowned museums of the small town, seen here, which remains. Text source: Wikipedia. Please share this video.